Hello and welcome to the Chanda Academy. In today's video we are going to solve a trigonometry exercise. We are given the value of the sinus of 7 pi over 12 and we will want first to find the value of cosinus squared of 7 pi over 12 and then deduce from our past result the value of cosinus of 7 pi over 12. In the first question, so we want to find cosinus squared in terms of what we know. Okay, what do we know? We know the value of the sinus, and what links some sinus and some cosinus squared? What we can call the fundamental formula of trigonometry. Cosinus squared of 7 pi over 12 is equal to 1 minus sinus squared of 7 pi over 12. And we just have now to replace sinus squared by the value we are given. Is equal to 1 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 6 over 4, everything squared, of course. This is equal to 1 minus 1 over 16 times square root of 2 squared, 2 plus 2 square root of 12 plus 6. Okay, I use the formula the identity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared here. Let's do some simplification. This is equal to 16 minus 2 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 8 minus 2 square root of 12 over 16. This is equal to 8 over 16 minus square root of 12 over 8. I simplified by 2, and square root of 12 is equal to square root of 3 times 4 is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 4, and square root of 4 is equal, of course, to 2. Is equal to 2 square root of 3. And by simplifying, we've got 1 over 2 minus square root of 3 over 4. And if we put everything under 4, this is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 over 4. Perfect. So we've got, let's sum up what we said. We've got cosinus squared of 7 pi over 12, which is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 over 4. Perfect. This is our result. Now for the second question, we want to find, knowing this result, let's call it star 1. We want to find the value of cosinus of 7 pi over 12. It will be too easy to just take the square root of cosinus squared, but let's remember that cosinus square root of cosinus squared is equal to absolute value of cosinus, but we need to know the sign of this cosinus. And how to know the sign of the cosinus? Just by using, as always, the trigonometric circle as a tool. We've got our angle 7 pi over 12, that is past 6 pi over 12, but before 12 pi over 12. And so our angle can be here on the second quadrant. And on the second quadrant, what do we have? We are in the negative part of the cosinus. So the value of cosinus of 7 pi over 12 would be equal to minus, because our cosinus is negative, the square root of cosinus squared of 7 pi over 12. And using star 1, this is equal to minus square root of 2 minus square root of 3 over 4, and with a little simplification, this is equal to minus square root of 2 minus square root of 3, everything over 2. And we have the value of our cosinus. Please just don't forget that the square root of x squared is equal to the absolute value of x. And so here we cannot make the mistake to forget that we need to determine the sign before the cosinus. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.